Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to set up a dual dash cam. I have here the iZeekr 4K dual dash cam, and I'm going to get this all connected, show you guys how to do that and make it a little easy. So this one comes with a couple different options you can use to connect it. It has a sticky pad there, 3M, that can just go on the onto your windshield there. It also has a slot there for a suction cup, which is the method I'm going to use, and it's going to be interesting to see how this all works out. This also comes with a backup cam, or a backwards cam, to get both sides of the car you're driving to make sure that you don't get hit from behind, don't got it on video. There's a suction cup and then a bunch of cables, and I want to show you how to wire these cables through. It's going to be interesting because it takes up a decent bit of space in the car, but we can hide it within the trim around the lines here to make sure that it's kind of hidden. So let's get to it. So we got a suction cup mounted onto the windshield there. It wasn't sticking on the spotted section there, but I got it on there. And for this one, it was just a little twist, and then it locks into place, holds it there nice and smooth. So next, I got it wired, hidden in the trim. I had to come down here with the GPS module, down underneath there, storing all the cables. And it's coming out here. Luckily, mine came with a extra USB attachment there. It's really useful, but it doesn't look too bad. You can wire it a little differently if you wanted to. This is just the easiest way that I got it to get connected. All right, so I got the second wire in, and I'm hiding it in the trim. The first one's there, and the second one I snuck all the way through here, through to the back, and then there's a bunch of cables there I'm trying to neaten up, but there's the back cam, all connected. So pretty straightforward. You can hide it in the trim on most cars. I have a Toyota Corolla, so it's pretty easy to hide it in there, but I got that all connected and it works flawlessly. I got it connected to the Wi-Fi app, which you can do with a variety of different apps. Most of these come equipped with the ability to use different apps, and I use the Lucky Cam I found on the App Store as the top result, and it holds everything in place very well, and this app works amazing. So that is how you connect a dual cam dash cam. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.